Hello friends, in previous video we will discuss vegetative propagules, vegetative propagation, asexual reproductive structure, and in last we will discuss syllabus and new pattern for upcoming exam of class 12 for biology. So in previous videos we will completed chapter 1. Now we will start chapter 2 of biology, that is chapter 2, and the name is sexual reproduction in flowering plant. Here friends, what we will study is, so firstly we will explain which topic we will discuss here in this chapter. We will discuss flower structure, pre-fertilization, structure and events, double fertilization, very important topic, post-fertilization and the event occurring post-fertilization, and the last one is apomixis and polyembryony. Apomixis is very important for definition may be asked. So now we will discuss. You can study in class 11th in detail about plants. Today in class 12 we will only discuss some basic. So today's topic is flower structure. Flower structure. So in flower structure we will discuss. Firstly, we will discuss what is flower. So, what is flower? So, flower is a modified stem. So, flower. What is flower? Flower is a modified stem. Also, it is a reproductive part of plant. Okay, that's all about flower. Now we will discuss structure. Some basic structure of flower. You will also study in previous classes. So structure of flower, not flower, structure of plant. So here we will discuss parts. सॉरी फ्रेंड्स, लाइट कट गया था। चलिए स्टार्ट कर दें। हियर now friends we will label the diagram. Here this one is called stigma, this one is called style, and this one is called ovary. Okay, stigma, style, ovary. This one is whole, that means stigma plus style plus ovary is called pistil. And what is pistil? It is a female reproductive part. Reproductive part in plant. Here friends, this one is called anther, this one is called filament. Anther filament collectively called stamen, and it is a male reproductive part in plant. Okay friends, now this one is called this one is called petal, and corolla. This one is called sepal, it is calyx. So friends, what is petal? Here this one is called petal, and group of petal is called corolla. It is one is sepal and group of sepal is called calyx. इसको फ्रेंड्स हम बताएंगे भी प्रैक्टिकली. वी विल टीच प्रैक्टिकली बाय टेकिंग अ फ्लावर. ओके, वी विल एक्सप्लेन. इट इज कॉल्ड थैलेमस. Thalamus are receptacle. Okay friends, here friend, one more thing. One anther and one filament is called stamen, and group of stamen is called androsium. That is male reproductive part. And here one stigma style ovary is called pistil, and group of pistil is called gynosium. That is female reproductive part. friends, now we will explain practically. Sorry, one more thing we'll skip. One is called, suppose it is a structure of stem. So here you see some dots are here. आपने शुगर केन का देखा होगा, उसमें बीच में ऐसा सर्कल जैसा रहता है स्ट्रक्चर, तो वो जो सर्कल वाला स्ट्रक्चर रहता है उसको हम बोलते हैं नोड, दैट इज कॉल्ड नोड। और यहाँ से यहाँ तक दो नोड के बीच का जो होता है उसको बोलते हैं हम इंटर नोड। ये फ्रेंड्स आपने 11th में पढ़ा होगा अच्छे से। सो नाउ वी एक्सप्लेन प्रैक्टिकली। सपोज इट इज फ्लावर, okay, so sorry, not flower, it is stem, part of stem. So here friends, here you see that part from where lips is originated, that part is called internode. Okay, this part is called internode, this one is internode, and the area between these two nodes is called internode. Sorry, it is node, not internode, it is node. This one is also node, and the area between these two nodes is called internode. Okay, so from here to here is internode, and this point is called node. It is also a node. From where lips is originated, that point is called node. Okay. Now friends, suppose it is flower, and what is it is flower, and here one petal, it is one petal. Okay, it is one petal, and there are 5 petals, so these all 5 petals is collectively called corolla. It is one petal, and the group of petal, that means 5 petal, collectively called corolla. Group of petal is called corolla. And here friends, we will see this green part. This green part, one is called sepal. Okay, here friends, this green part, this green part is called sepal. One is called sepal, and group of sepal is called calyx. Okay. Now friends, we will discuss floral hole. F-L-O-R-A-L, floral hole. W-H-O-R-L-S, floral holes. So friends, there are 2 types of floral holes. One is called accessory, A-E-S-S-O-R-Y, accessory hole, and another one is essential hole. So in flower, in outer side there is 2 things present. One is calyx. What is calyx? Group of sepal, and another is corolla. So it is group of here calyx, group of sepal, and here group of petal. Friends, it is very confusing. Calyx, corolla, So you know the trick is what is trick is PCO. You know PCO, public call office. So P stand for petal and CO stand for corolla. So group of petal is called corolla. Okay. So these calyx and corolla is called accessory hole, and two essential hole is male reproductive part called androcium and female reproductive part is called gynocium. So calyx corolla is called accessory hole and essential hole is androcium and gynocium. Androcium, you know, here we will discuss androcium stamen. Group of stamen is called androcium. Group of pistil is called gynocium. Gynocium is female reproductive part and stamen is male reproductive part. Stamen includes anther and filament. Pistil includes stigma, style, ovary. Okay. Group of pistil, gynocium. Don't be confused. Now friends, we will discuss in more detail about male reproductive part. Male reproductive part, or you can say structure. In plant. So we will discuss the structure of stamen. So here friends, this part is called anther, this part is called filament. So anther filament and anther filament collectively called stamen, that is male reproductive part. So here filament has two category. One is here distal part, and here is proximal. Okay. Filament have, I can explain in हिंदी also. देखिए फिलामेंट के दो पार्ट हैं, एक डिस्टल पार्ट, एक प्रॉक्सिमल पार्ट. जैसे ये मैं आपको स्ट्रक्चर दिखाया था, ये देखिए जब अटैच है यहाँ से ओवरी से, तो जो ये वाला पार्ट है उसको हम बोलते हैं प्रॉक्सिमल, और जो ऊपर वाला पार्ट है उसको बोलते हैं डिस्टल. ओके, हियर प्रॉक्सिमल पार्ट, हियर डिस्टल पार्ट. सो हियर एंथर, based on attachment of anther over filament, stamen are divided into 4 types. So based on attachment of anther over filament. Anther is stamen is 4 types. What 4 types? Basidified, dorsifide, basidified, dorsifide, adenate, and last one is versatile. Basidified, dorsifide, adenate, and versatile. Sorry friends. So here basidified, dorsifide, adenate and versatile. Friends, ये आप जानते रहिए नॉलेज के लिए, इतना डीप में बोर्ड में कभी भी क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा, ठीक है। ये आपके नॉलेज के लिए बता दिए हैं। Now friends, we will discuss TS of anther lobe. TS of anther lobe. Friends, रोज़ के फ्लावर में जब सारे पेटल्स जो होते हैं, पिंक कलर जो पेटल्स होते हैं, उसको पूरा जब आप रिमूव करते हैं तो बिल्कुल बीच में जो पार्ट होता है उसमें आप येलो कलर का देखेंगे, येलो कलर का होता है। वो ऊपर का जो पार्ट होता है वो येलो कलर का, उसको हम बोलते हैं एंथर, और नीचे जो होता है वो होता है फिलामेंट। तो हम एंथर, उस एंथर को छोटे से जो येलोइश रहता है, येलोइश कलर का, उस येलोइश कलर का हम ट्रांसवर्स सेक्शन करेंगे। ट्रांसवर्स सेक्शन मीन्स फ्रेंड्स लाइक फ्रेंड्स इतना बड़ा होता तो नहीं, लेकिन हम आपको समझाने के लिए बता दे रहे हैं। जैसे ये हो गया क्या, एंथर। सो ट्रांसफर सेक्शन मीन्स जब हम एंथर को लेंगे, ट्रांसफर सेक्शन मीन्स ऐसे हम कट करेंगे उसको। फ्रेंड्स एंथर को जब हम लेंगे और उसको ऐसे कट करेंगे, ऐसे कट करके हटाएंगे तो जो हमारे अंदर दिखाएगा, अंदर देखिए, मैं आपको समझाने के लिए बताया, बस अंदर देखिए ग्रीन कलर कुछ पार्ट दिख रहा है, वैसे ही कुछ पार्ट हमको जब टीएस का एंथर करेंगे तो दिखेगा। उसी पार्ट को फ्रेंड्स हम यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन करेंगे। फ्रेंड्स कुछ ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर दिखेगा, टीएस हम उसका ऐसे टीएस करेंगे, कट करेंगे तो हमें कुछ ऐसा दिखेगा। सो उसमें 2 लोब होंगे, मतलब जो एंथर होता है क्या होता है, बाई लोब। एक लोब ये है फ्रेंड्स, एक लोब ये। देयर आर 2 lobes here, left and right lobes. That means anther is bilobe. Outer layer, there are four layer. Anther have 4 layer. Outermost layer is called epidermis, that is protective in nature. Second layer is endothelium, that is made of callous thickening. After that, third layer is mid layer, that is 3 to 4 layer loosely packed. And after that there is teptum. Teptum is multinucleated, dense cytoplasm and pyramidal in shape. Okay friends. And after that sporogenous cells. Okay, sporogenous cells are उसको, और सेकंड नेम होता है आर्ची स्पोरियल सेल्स बोलते हैं, प्रेजेंट होते हैं टेप्टम के नीचे। टेप्टम इसको एब्जॉर्ब करता है, आगे बताएंगे, साइकिल में है पूरा। फिर पॉइंट ऑफ डेसेंस, ओके। सो वी कैन ओनली मेक वन स्ट्रक्चर, देयर इज आल्सो वन सेम स्ट्रक्चर हियर, ओके। देयर फोर स्ट्रक्चर मेड, बट वी कैन, फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग वी कैन ओनली मेक वन, ओके। सो एक बार हिंदी में बता देते हैं फ्रेंड्स। एंथर जो होते हैं 2 लोब होते हैं, लेफ्ट और राइट लोब। इसमें 4 लेयर प्रेजेंट होते हैं। आउटर मोस्ट लेयर को बोलते हैं एपिडर्मिस, उससे थोड़ा अंदर जो होता है उसको बोलते हैं एंडोथेलियम, उससे अंदर को बोलते हैं मिड लेयर, जो कि 3 to 4 लेयर लूजली पैक्ड होता है। उसके बाद उसके नीचे होता है टेप्टम, जो कि मल्टी न्यूक्लिएट होता है, उसका डेंस साइटोप्लाज्म होता है और पिरामिडल शेप होता है। फिर उसके नीचे फ्रेंड्स होता है स्पोरोजिनस सेल्स या आर्ची स्पोरियल सेल्स, और उसके नीचे थोड़ा सा देखेंगे, यहाँ पे साइड में बिल्कुल बाहर आउटर लेयर पे तो होता है पॉइंट ऑफ डेहिसेंस। इस सब का फंक्शन अभी हम फ्रेंड डिस्कस करेंगे, ठीक। फ्रेंड्स, इसमें जो ये ब्लू कलर का जो दिख रहा है, ये ब्लू कलर का ये क्या है, टेप्टम। इसका भी हम फंक्शन एक्सप्लेन करेंगे। आउटर मोस्ट लेयर एपिडर्मिस, उससे नीचे एंडोथेकम, उससे नीचे मिड लेयर, उससे नीचे टेप्टम, उससे नीचे स्पोरोजिनस सेल्स और आर्चिस्पोरियल सेल्स। सो वी विल डिस्कस द फंक्शन ऑफ टेप्टम राइट नाउ। So friends, we will discuss function of Teptum. As you know earlier, Teptum is multinucleated, dense cytoplasm and pyramidal in shape. So now we will discuss function of Teptum. Here, what is the function of Teptum? First and very important function is it provides nourishment during microsporogenesis. So it provide nourishment during microsporogenesis. Okay friends, so what is microsporogenesis? We will explain. It is in our syllabus, so we will explain later its cycle, how it formed. We will explain it in detail. So here we only know the function of Teptum. So first point, it provides nourishment. Second point, it forms UV body. Okay, it forms UV body. So friends, what is UV body? That is, UV body means coated with UV body means it is coated with sporopollenin. Okay, sporopollenin, that is most resist organic substance. Most resist organic substance. Okay, and one most important point, it secrete enzyme calyx. Okay, it secrete enzyme calyx. And another is it form pollen kit. What is pollen kit? Alloys powdery substance present on the anther surface. Okay friends, that there are four functions of Teptum. First, it provides nourishment during microsporogenesis. We will explain microsporogenesis in later videos. It is our syllabus. We will also learn the cycle, how it formed. Okay, so don't worry, we explain microsporogenesis. Second, it forms UV body. What is UV body? Means there is coated of sporopollenin, and that is, what is sporopollenin? that is very highly resist organic substances that prevent the destroying of anther. And third most important, it secrete enzyme calyx. Okay. Fourth, it form pollen kit. And what is pollen kit? It is yellowish powdery substance present on the anther surface. Okay. Now friends, we will discuss types of teptum. So there are two types. First one is glandular and second one is amoeboid. So glandular, also called secretory cell, secretory teptum, and amoeboid is called plasmodial teptum. Glandular also called secretory, amoeboid also called plasmodial. That's all about teptum. Friend, one thing I skip in transverse section of anther lobe, that is Microsporangium. So what is Microsporangium? So here friends, you see it is what? It is sporogenous cells or archisporial cells. So these sporogenous or archisporial cells are present inside a circle-like structure. That is circle-like structure is called Microsporangium. Okay. So here sporogenous or we can say archisporial cells are present inside the Microsporangium. Okay. Friends, now we will revise the today lecture. Now we will revise rapidly. Friends, in chapter 2 we will discuss the sexual reproduction in flowering plant. Okay. In flowering plant means angiosperm plant. So here flower structure in first you will know in detail in class 11th. Here we only discuss some basic structure. So we firstly know what is flower. So flower is a modified stem. Okay. It is also a reproductive part of plant. Now we discuss the structure of plant. So here stigma, style, ovary, correctly called pistil, and group of pistil is called gynosium. What is gynosium? It is a female reproductive part. Okay. Here anther, this part is called anther and this part is called filament, and this anther filament collectively called stamen, and group of stamen is called androcium. What is androcium? It is a male reproductive part. Here now we will discuss petal. So and petal, one hole is called petal and group of petal is called corolla. Okay. Now here we discuss sepal and group of sepal is called calyx. Here thalamus and receptacle are present. Friends, the function of sepal is to hold the petal. Okay. Now we discuss the floral holes. There are two types of floral holes, accessory holes and essential holes. Accessory holes have two types, calyx, corolla, and in essential hole there are also two, androcium and gynosium. Here we discuss the trick, how we learn. So here we have to know PCU. So P stands for petals, CU for corolla. So group of petal is called corolla. Now later we discuss male reproductive part. So based on attachment, it is four types: basidified, dorsifide, arenate, and versatile. After that, friends, we will discuss the transverse section of anther lobes. It have two lobes, left, right, and anther contain of four layer, outer layer epidermis, after that endothecum, mid layer, last one is Teptum, and inside the after Teptum there is Microsporangium, and inside the Microsporangium there is sporogenous or archiesporal cells are present. Okay, here also point of reference. After that, friends, we discuss the function of Teptum. So we discuss four main function. First is it provides nourishment during microsporogenesis. You have to only know it provides nourishment. Don't confuse in Microsporangium. We will explain in next video. Second, it forms US body. What is US body? That means it coated with sporopollenin. And what is sporopollenin? It is highly reduced organic substance. Okay, that prevent the destroying of Anther, pollen grain. It secrete enzyme calyx. It form pollen kit. What is pollen kit? You know the always powdery substance which is present over the anther, that is called pollen kit. And finally, we discuss the types of Teptum. So there is two types of Teptum: glandular and amoeboid. Glandular also called secretory, and amoeboid also called plasmodial. That's all, friends, in first lecture. In second lecture, we will discuss the most important topic, that is macrosporogenesis. After that, we study the ultrastructure of pollen grain, that is male reproductive part, and after that we study some more terms. Okay, thank you, friends. Thank you very much. Read carefully, and friends, please read the NCERT book. That's so that you get better marks in exam. Okay, friends. Now we will see in next video. Thank you very much.